Hello class. So we are now at part 6.1 and 6.2, wherein 6 is the column moments. 6.1 is about exterior columns, and then 6.2 is about interior columns. So unahin natin yung exterior columns. Ang idea rito is summation moment at the joint, let's say for this joint, is equal to 0. Sa part 5, remember na ang nasolve natin dito is column moments. Okay? So, for this moment, 29.43, ang moment dito sa girder would also be 29.43. Okay, so let us solve. For this beam, so that is simply equal to this moment, column moment. Okay, and then if you will take moments, summation moment at this joint, then that would be equal to 0. Kasi si column 29.43 tapos si beam is also 29.43. And then for this exterior column naman, okay, we are talking about this exterior column. The girder moment is the sum of the column moment 27.13, yung column na nasa taas, tsaka yung column na nasa ilalim. Let's say, itong dalawang column moment na yan ay clockwise, and then ang girder moment mo would be counterclockwise. So that is 77.82. And ganun na rin ang procedure dito. Okay? Dito naman sa kabila, then this would also be column moment 37.16. And then this is column moment 34.34 plus 62.87. Okay, and then yan ang girder moments dito sa exterior columns. Nakatikit siya sa exterior columns. And then sa 6.2, that is for interior columns, the girder moment is equal to G times X. So, medyo may challenge ito ngayon. Ang i-consider natin ngayon would be joints R and S. Now, let's look nasan yung R and S. Remember that this node is Q, then R, S, T. Okay? Which is this. Okay? This is Q, node R, node S, node T. Ang sasolvin natin yung girder moments sa RS and OJ, K, F, G with reference to these nodes. And then, dito na tayo sa joint R. Joint R, for joint R, summation moment is equal to, dito natin yan kukunin sa column moments, which is 56.07. Take note na walang column above joint R. Pag dito tayo sa joint N naman, which is this, ang summation ng column moment would be 96.5 plus 52.9. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. Ngayon, mag-split ko lang itong window ng Excel. So, dalhin ko lang dyan yung, click ko lang dyan para dyan ako mag-split. So, I will click now, split. And then, ito. So, this is at joint R. This is 56.07. And then, joint N, this is joint N, ano? Oops. This is equal to summation column moments 52.9 plus 96.5. Okay, so i-click ko lang ito, yan, plus ito. Oops. Sorry. Dito pala. 52.5 plus 96.5. And then, dito na sa joint J, that would be 95.22. Okay. Plus 122.7. And then, sa joint F, that is 122.7 plus 160.89. And then, dito naman sa joint S, summation moment is equal to 63.28 plus 0 sa taas, or ganyan na lang. Okay, tapos ito naman, this is itong dalawa, 107.61 plus 59.68, 167.20. Then same procedure here sa joint K and joint G. This is 106.34 plus 135.86. Finally, this is 135.86 plus 179.42. Yan. So, ito yung talagang sagot niya, no? Compare ko lang. 56, 63, 149, 167, 217, 242, 283, 315 hanggang 7. Okay, correct. Next is, dito tayo ngayon sa summation naman ng girder. Kukunin natin yung summation ng girder dito sa step 4. Okay, so nasan si step 4? Click ko lang ito. Ilagay natin dyan si step 4. Ayan. So, ito yun, girder moment factors. Okay, yung capital G. Ang kailangan natin dyan, yung mga numbers na 19.4, 29.9, 29.76, tsaka 25.9. So, yan ang kukunin natin, ano? Nasa step 4. So, going back here sa 6.2, summation G is the sum of girder moment factors at joint R. Take note that this is joint R, no? QRST. QRST, okay. At joint R, this is equal to 19.4 plus 29.9. Yeah. And then, at joint S, dito naman, this is equal to 29.76 plus 25.9. And then, at joint N, dito sa baba, no? This is equal to 35.2. Summation G is 35.2 plus 52. Tapos at joint O here, this is equal to 51.89 plus 45.6. And let's do the same here sa joints J, K, F, and then G. Yan. So, this is 38 plus 55.7. And then at joint K, this is 55.47 times or plus 48.8. Okay, sum yan, ano? Sum. Oops, na misplace. Copy ko na lang yung text. Yan. Next, going back, summation G at joint F is 38 plus 55.7. And then summation G at joint G, okay? This is 55.47 plus 48.8. And then let me check summation G. Nasa step 4. This is equal to, wait lang po, ayun, iba ang na-click ko. Yan. So that is 104.3. Once in a while you check by clicking your cell and then you press F2. Lalabas yung kanyang equation at saka kung saan siya naka-connect. Okay, so kung minsan tama yung equation mo pero sa iba pala siya naka-connect. Kagaya yung ito, 104.3. Yan na yung tama. Pero kanina, dito siya nakalagay. Okay? So, kala mo, na-click mo ng tama, yung pala ibang pinuntahan. So, once in a while, you click this, you press F2, lalabas kung saan siya naka-connect. Okay, next, we now go to X. X is equal to summation M divided by summation G. Oops, excuse me. Divided by. So, ang gagawin natin dito is X is equal to summation M. Dito, click mo lang yan. Divided by summation G. Click mo lang yung nasa taas niya. Then you press enter. So 1.13. Now you can copy this equation, paste it here. Okay? Or kung ayaw mong i-paste, you just click equal sign sum M divided by sum G. Yan, sum M divided by sum G. 283.58 divided by yan. Tapos 315 divided by 104. And then oops, let me check this one. And then this for joint K, summation X is equal to 242 divided by 104 again, then 167 divided by 97, 63 divided by 55. Okay, so next step is we will now compute your girder moment is equal to Gx, wherein na-compute na natin yung X. Okay? So, dito tayo ngayon sa joint R. Yan. Remember that at joint R, you have two girders that are connected, which is girder QR and girder RS. Ang kailangan natin dito would be nasa step 4, yung capital G. Okay, so nasan si step 4? eto siya, no? Split ko lang. I will remove split. Then, gagawa ako ng bagong split. Yan. Palalabasin ko si step 4. Eto siya. So, kailangan natin ito from step 4. Yan. Ito yung girder moment factors G. Tapos, yung X sa step 6.2. Yan, dito tayo. Okay, I think we're ready. So, for this girder, this is equal to 19.4 multiplied by X, which is 1.137. This is for joint R, no? And then here, okay, unhide ko na nga lang muna. Yan. So that is 19.4 times 1.137. And then dito naman, that is equal to 29.9 times 1.137. Tapos dito naman sa node S, this is equal to 29.76 multiplied by 1.138. Yan, okay? And then, dito naman sa ST, that is 25.9 times 1.138. Yan. And then, dito tayo sa joint N, same procedure. That is 35.2 multiplied by X. So, yan yung mga girder moments. Sa interior columns yan. Ano? Sa 6.1, na-solve natin yung girder moments dito sa exterior columns. Ngayon, pag sasamahin na natin sila. Let us skip that part. Maintain lang natin sila na hiwalay. Importante, alam na natin yung girder moments dito sa interior columns, tsaka girder moments dito sa exterior columns. Now we go to step 7, girder shears na tayo. So, girder shear is equal to summation of girder moment divided by the length. And then column shear is summation column moment divided by the height. Yan. This time, hindi na niya kino-consider yung mid-height or mid-span. Okay? So, medyo malapit to sa realistic kasi kino-consider na niya yung summation moments, kino-consider na niya yung stiffness factors K. For step 7, girder shear, kailangan natin yung girder moments that is from 6.1 tsaka 6.2. Okay, so dito tayo, ano? Yan. For this girder, ang kailangan natin dyan would be exterior moment na 29.43 plus interior moment na 22.1 divided by the length. What is the length? It is 4. Okay? So, 486 tapos 3334. Okay. Okay, ulitin ko. Exterior moment, 29.43 plus 22.1 divided by 4. Okay. 12.8848. So, yan yung girder shear. Remember na yung girder shear, it is acting at the center. For this beam, the girder shear is equal to ito 34 plus 33.9 divided by the length, girder length na 8. Okay, so divided by 8, and finally at this end, that would be this moment for interior column plus 37.16 moment at beam near the exterior column. Yan. That's the correct term. Then divided by 6. 6 is the length. Okay, so let's check. This is 4, 8, and then 6. Ngayon, instead na 4 ang ilalagay natin dyan, ililink ko na lang siya dito. Yung 4, dito ko siya ililink sa may given. Ayan. Yan. Kasi input data yan, ano? And then, eto naman, ililink ko rin siya dito, yung 8. Tapos, eto, ililink ko siya dito sa 6. Para kapag papalitan mo itong input data mo, let's say 7, lahat yan magpapalit. See? Lahat yan nagpalit. Okay, next is dito naman, still at girder shear. This is equal to 77.82. Okay. Pwede mo namang kopyahin na yan. Paste mo dito. Oops. Iba-iba. Solve na lang natin mano-mano. So, open parenthesis, 77.82 plus 60.3 divided by yung beam length na 4. Yan. Oops. And then, ito naman, this is 115. Oops, open parenthesis. 115, click mo yan, plus, oops, sorry, this is 115 pala. Plus 88.3 divided by the length na 4. And finally, this is equal to, open parenthesis, 42.3, oops, wait, 6.1 pala, no? Yan, 158.93, muntik na ako ron, plus 115 divided by 4. Yan. And then here, sa this girder, this is equal to, ayan, 89.1 plus 89.1 divided by 8. Ito naman, this is equal to 130. Ito. Plus 129 divided by this, 8. So that's how you solve your girder moments. And then finally, step 8 for column shear, that is the summation column M divided by H. So for this column, ang kailangan natin dito is yung nasa step 5. Okay? Dahil nandito yung mga column moments. Ayan. So, pakita ko lang. Ito. This column is equal to, open parenthesis, summation moment 27.13 plus 29.43 divided by the column height na 3. Nandito yan. sa input data. Yan. Tapos, ito, this is equal to 52.9 summation column moment again. Plus, yan, 56.07. Computein mo lang yung, i-add mo lang yung end moments divided by the length. Yan yung column shear mo, no? Divided by the column height na 3 again. Ganon din dito sa baba. So, this is equal to 49.3 plus 50.69 divided by the story height na 3 again. Same thing dito sa ground floor. This would be equal to 117.96 plus 93.23 divided by story height na 4. Okay, so 52.8. And so that's how you solve your column moments. So ito na siya. Oops. Yan. So this is combined girder shear and column moments. Okay guys, so ulitin ko, ang una nating isinolve dito sa factor method would be girder factors step 1, tapos column factors step 2. Yan ang pinaka-importante. And then step 3 is plinat natin siya dito. Okay? And then i-divide natin yung mga column factors divided by 2, tsaka beam factors nilipat natin sa kabila, and then in-add natin yan yung kulay orange. And then step 4, we multiplied each sum from 3 by the relative stiffness K. Tapos step 5, kinompute natin yung column moments. Tapos step 6, kinompute natin yung girder moments. Dalawa ang step 6, 6.1 tsaka 6.2, girder moments sa interior tsaka exterior. And finally step 7, girder shears and then column shears. So that's it guys. Thank you for listening. Natapos na natin ang approximate methods, which is portal, cantilever, and then factor method. Ang next dito would be stiffness matrix. Ito na yung challenging. Okay guys, so till then, ingat, happy holidays.